Thinking about pursuing ACCA? Here's a level by level walkthrough of all 13 ACCA subjects in less than 3 minutes. Let's go. Level 1 is applied knowledge, which is your foundation. 3 papers to get you started. Business and technology, where you learn how businesses operate, the role of management, and how technology drives performance. Next is management accounting, which is about costing, budgeting, and basic performance analysis. Perfect if you love numbers and logic. And lastly, financial accounting, which is your base in accounting. Journal entries, ledgers, financial statements, and IFRS intro. Level 2 is applied skills comprising of 6 papers. Level 2 builds core skills needed in any finance job. Corporate and business law, which is the legal backbone of business and covers contracts, employment law, and governance. Next is performance management, where you dive deeper into KPIs, variances, and strategic planning. Then you have taxation, where you understand personal, corporate, and indirect tax systems. Next is financial reporting, which covers IFRS, group accounts, leases, and disclosures. Then is audit and assurance, where you learn how audits are conducted and how trust is built through reporting. And finally, financial management, which covers everything from investment decisions and valuation to risk and working capital. Proceeding to level 3, strategic professional, which has 2 core papers and 2 optional electives. This is where you think like a leader. The core papers are Strategic Business Leader, which is a 100-mark case study paper that tests leadership, strategy, ethics, and governance. And the other one is Strategic Business Reporting that covers advanced IFRS, professional judgment, and CFO style decision making. Now pick 2 out of 4 electives. Your options are Advanced Financial Management, where you learn M&A, forex hedging, derivatives, and capital strategy. Next, Advanced Performance Management is about business models, big data, and long term performance. Then, Advanced Taxation is about tax planning, compliance, and international tax strategy. Lastly, Advanced Audit and Assurance, which is for future audit partners and covering ethics, audit failures, and complex reporting. 13 papers, 3 levels, one powerful global qualification. Whether you're a student, graduate, or working professional, ACCA gives you the structure, skills, and recognition to lead globally. Want help planning your ACCA roadmap? Connect with our counselors today.